Hey, it's me, I'm JC's man JC. It is what everybody call me, and I'm back with. We're gonna continue what we did last time, right here. Yeah, she saw last week with unboxing and prom 2 colored. I'm gonna be doing this time. I'm gonna do a wash day first, and then I'm gonna do a certain type of style and add this into it. So what I'm gonna be using is this right here. This is green. The color is green. Last time it was red. And it's not really great. People really thought I dyed my hair. Now, green is different for me. I low-key thought I should have probably got the blue one. I wasn't thinking. But I'm going to be trying this green color pretty soon. This is what it looks like. And let me see. Open it. I think it has a fold. Yeah, we tried. Yeah, I've showed you the first time what it looks like if you open it. And I'm also going to be using this right here. I'm going to be kind of combining all 3 things, but that's because I wanted to give y'all, like, from unboxing, I want to show you so much more from first try. This right here is Carol Poppins Satin Silk Shape Satin Sleep Set. What I'm going to be doing is this. I'm going to be having this pillow case on my pillow, but right now for like the first day and second day, I'm going to be using this right here. This. Now, I just put it on my head, so I know it will work. But because this may get a little dirty, I'm going to be making sure I keep it secured. So, as you see right here, this is my hair looks like now. All not washed. I'm about to do wash day right now as we speak. And I'm going to come right back with you with fresh wash hair and give you my LOC plus my color. Now, what is this called? This is called hair makeup, or just like hair. I mean, it's just temporary hair color, basically. But this is more of a this is more of a clay, like kind of a clay, kind of like a gel type base, and it glides on and it just dries fast. Now, you know that I am no heat, but I will try my best, which that means this shirt has to come off also because I am not messing up a nice clean white shirt just to dye my hair. But I'll be back with you shortly, and I'm gonna show you more and more. Alright, see you soon. Back. Now, remind you, this video is all about coloring. We're going to be temporary coloring my hair this way, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to let the color go. That'll be next week's video. Now, I have a little bit of trusty things in my hand. My hair is fully it's a little still damp, and I don't like that it's this damp. So, I'm one of those people that like to use towels. I'll use towels. Now, if I can't, I'll just use a shirt. That's that right here. And we'll do it. And that's it. Yes. It's still a little wet, but it's okay. Alright, this is what my hair looks like right now. I'm gonna back up a little bit for you can see it. Yeah. Yeah. Let me see a little bit right there. Yes. I'm a little professional, so I want y'all to know that now. Now, what I'm going to be using next is this. I'm going to just add this product to my hair because I really just want product. I'm going to have my oil. I'm thinking about my oil. With this product line, I'm not going to lie, I just want to try it. And I'm nervous because I want to do a style with it. So, let's first go with this. Let me put this in my hair first and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing. See that? Yep. It feels good to have this in my hair first. Last time my hair was all out. So we're gonna do this. That's what I've used already. This is the Shea Moisture by Jermaine Castle Oil line. Strength and Restore Leave Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. And first we're gonna do this. I'm going to section my hair off a little bit more. I may just make it like the front and not the back. So, what we're going to do is this. Tie the front up first. Well, no, I'm going to probably tie the front first. My hair is going to be, and probably get green. Alright, ready? Go like this for both sides. Now, if you're doing this with me, if you have your own temporary color, and we're doing this because you're curly, hey, that's cool. We're just washing. Get your popcorn. Let's go. So as I said last time, just untop, unwind, and this is what it's called. This is the green one, as I said before. Now, we take it off. We dupe a little in our hands, like this much. This is a lot, but I don't mind that. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Cover. And we just place. Let me show you. And this is how my hair is going to look with it. I don't know if it'll dry like this. It does look very different than the red one. I'm going to give it 2 different. I'm going to go ahead back with a little bit more. This is more off camera. And then we're going to do like this. Because I'm going to put this in a cap. Trying to section off as much as possible. And we're going to just kind of glide it in there. How are we looking? It looks good. I like it a little bit. I'm not trying to get too close to the roots. Now, with this, what is this kind of dye? Is this? This is a temporary. Once I want to do wash it again, it's right out. That's how quick this is. And it will stay all week. And then now we're gonna do the top. I think I'm just gonna mix the whole like different type of style. And we're gonna go right back. Yes, stuff fell. And I'm put some more on my finger first. And then I'm just gonna go like this. Kinda. And I'm gonna go like that. It's really cool. I like the color. It reminds me of goo. And like globe lights. Not globe lights. You ever been like Skate World? We have a Skate World here. You know when your lights out, when you get the like neon lights? It looks kind of like that. Give me a close up how it looks. Now this will take a while to dry. So I'm gonna try my best to keep this in the same video of how it looks, how it turns out later. And I think I'm just okay, we're gonna get that much in. I think it's this color because of me adding product too, which I didn't product last time. And it's gonna look a little funky, I feel, because I think some parts are gonna be more defined. Let's see. I'm gonna do this only with you on camera. And this is what it looks like now. Okay. See, it's funny because like you can't really see the bottom. Okay, see what I'm saying? This is how funny, it's how my curls are doing. Because my curls have its own definition, like the front are going to probably look more green. But I'm using a lot. I know I'm not. I'm just getting like a glop and glop and glop and glop. I feel like it's not being green at the bottom, which I feel like that's kind of dope to do. Alright. Yeah. Don't worry, this comes off very fast. And yeah, threw the towel on the floor. Let's see. Okay. I'm digging it. Alright, since this is in now, I'm going to give you kind of like a time warp. So say if it's dry by tonight, I'm going to film the night. If it's dry tomorrow, I'm going to film it tomorrow. And just know how dry it gotten. This last time, it took pretty much by the end of the tape. So because my hair is naturally wet because of wash day, and also I have moisturized it, I gotta stop and then do all this. But this is really cool. I like it though. Alright. See you shortly. Hair porn. Don't you wanna? Hey, I'm back. This is actually funny to say this. I've had my hair like this for almost 2 days. Yes. I did this like a night. No, yeah, 2 days ago. So this is what it looks like now. You can see the green, but then you kind of can't. It's really funny that a green hue that I did it so different the last time that did not show up. the way I thought it would. It looks green sometimes in highlights or like say outside, but it's not as harsh. So I am really passionate about this. So I'm going to be adding this more. Let me tell you what I did last. Remember last time I did it, it was on dry hair. My hair is now fully dry all over. And let me just show you how it looks. My curls are very intact. And you're asking like, well, you know, y'all say my hair was more stretched. It was because I had a two-strand twist out. And this is just on free-forming hair. So my hair is getting bigger as the days go by. And that's the question, oh, is this like a wash and go? No, when you use minimal products, your hair sometimes will shrink up. That means it's just moisture balance. If your hair is naturally moisture balanced for that, since I'm no heat, my hair naturally would love to just... And yes, that is really where you see all the definition in my curls. So, it's crazy that I'm back with this, doing something really different. This color is very different than the red. The red took on a different type of character, which I'm going to try for a second try because it didn't turn out how I liked it. I took pictures of it already, and we're going to do this now as we speak. So this is the green one, as I told you before. Ready? And we're going to go for a second take. I had a feeling I wasn't going to like it because as long as I put it on. But let's go. This is what it looks like. I'm going to praying your hand methods, and I'm just going to add. I feel like at least, again, it's weird. It's taking a lot more, I think, on dry hair than before on wet hair. It's funny. I feel like, yeah, I'm getting some more. And I'm going to do the back this time as well. Well, what I'm going to do right now is this. So as a first try, I feel like it's sort of more of a fail. And now I'm just going to add a little bit more. Okay, so what's my experience been like this? Mom hates it. Oh yeah, she was like, I don't like it. Wash your hair out. My sister hates it. I've got mixed reviews from people at work. Some people like it. I think they're just more like, he's trying it, not me. And you know, if you like it and stuff like that, I can show you. I'm gonna leave the link in the bio where I got my stuff from. Yeah, so I mean, if you ever want to try temporary color, and next thing I'm going to give you a review of both. Because I'm probably going to have red hair one more time. Okay. I said I was going to do this yesterday. But I wanted to get on here real quickly to show y'all before. So y'all don't really miss out on my color. Alright. It turned out better this time. Now don't get it twisted. This has to still dry. But I feel like on dry hair works better for my hue of hair. And because I have a textured hair... Let me show you the back now. I didn't show you the back earlier, which I apologize for. But I will say this. Certain colors are already going to show up on certain people. With this being a wax, well not wax, but this being makeup, naturally your hue, how can I say this? Blonde hair compared to like black hair, or a brunette compared to a blonde has translucent hair, so it's kind of like you having white compared to black, and then you see a difference of you binding a color with black compared to white. This is hard to explain. So naturally some colors will bond with red, whereas my red bonded and it changed the hue and it made it like a burgundy. If I had blonde hair, my hair would probably be just pure red. Whereas this green, let me show you the bottle one more time. And it shows you what it looks like right here. But it also shows you what it looks like on my hand. This is my hand. My hand, you know. That's the inner of my hand. See what I'm saying? And then you look at my hair, which is taking it, but this is because of my hair being dry. Compared to me doing it on wet hair. Which, I think I learned my lesson. Don't ever do it on dry. I can't do it on wet hair. Because it doesn't make sense for me. As shockingly, this will dry on my... This will dry. And honestly, I feel like it took a little bit, like the color, I feel like it just evaporated a little bit, but then it didn't. which I think is cool. I'm liking this now a lot more because this looks just like the red, like on camera. And then I'm gonna, what happened last time, also, what happened last time, not so much this, last time I looked at the red, I'm on camera with y'all, and I'm like putting the red in. I'm like, okay, it looks kind of good, looks kind of good. Then I went to the mirror. Y'all don't know this. I'm always adjacent towards the mirror because I have to use this as everything. And this is what I see. So all in all, for the green take, I'm liking it. But I do learn that I will have to, next time I do this, I will go with my own like hairstyle as usual. And then add the color. Which that's what I'm probably going to do next week. Sorry. I'm kind of cold. So naturally what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to let it go. As far as this, it took 2 days for me to try. I wanted to see how people reacted to it, which this response compared to their response wasn't as much, but I'm going to give them another day or 2 and see how they like it. Then I'm going to go wash it all out, and then I'm going to be just going back to my traditional hairstyle. And I'll see y'all with the next one. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. The link is in the bio, just like this before, as a first try. And we're going to talk about, I'm going to give you a review of it. Probably wearing red hair though. Let's see how it looks. Let me see a close up. Alright, this is what it looks like now. And I think I gave you a close up before. Now this looks kind of cool. It's giving you a little Khalees, which you know, that's like an idol. That's like one of my hair idols. And it's kind of full on like neon green. So this is what it looks like now. I'm going to give it a few. I'm probably going to go to sleep and wake up and see if it like launches at all. As you know, last time I just did like a little test. And I may just do, I may put a little bit. Now I'm going to leave it just like this. I'm going to stretch it just a little bit more. And I'm just going to let it be like that. I'm going to take some pictures and I'm going to show you on social media only. Real quickly. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please, please, please like this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe already. And thank you for watching for like a first try and seeing if it worked. And we're somewhat successful, more so because now trial and error. Now we know what to do. Alright, see you in the next one.